Guys, how are you? Guys, today is the 30th of December, guys, 2025. Guys, we're going to our last hustle of the year, and I'm taking my sister with me, guys. And you know, guys, I will rude to Jem, but you know she's the sweetest. I waited for her, so we got to work together. What? It's true. Anyways, that's not about her. Guys, thank you so much for supporting the hustle this year. If it wasn't for you guys from the beginning of the year till now, trust me, I don't think I would have survived, guys. You guys have been through it with me in this hustling world. You guys know. Guys, anyways, I'm taking you guys with me to say bye to 2025, and this is the last hustle of the year. When I'm seeing you guys, I'll be seeing you. It will be 2026. Woohoo! I know, guys, I'm a bit sad today because the weather is not easy. It's not easy, guys. And I'll say this again, guys. If you know your hand or your pocket helped us this year, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for supporting the hustle. Thank you so much. Hopefully next year you'll come back and employ me for bigger contracts and give me bigger deals. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Let's go to work. Bye.
YouTube yan. Mama.
Dapat
every time.
So hold up. Uyakwazi izicelo zami wena.
Ngithi mina
hawu ungatshela abantu be-YouTube amanga.
Watcha ezami ngiyawatcha even ama-pushing.
Ezami izicathulo makhosi mina I do my own shoes.
Ngiyakwazi ukuthi do own shoes but kumele uyenze lezami.
Sorry. Go back. Olengqondo ezimba.
Wena nguwe.
Ngazuzwa. Akufake ukudla kwakho phansi sihambe emsebenzini.
Samba. Ngempatha.
Kelani room yakhe ayila order.
Ungaboni sibele into lezi.
Mako so uqale nyoye room yakhe nje so.
Ngokwazi ngempela yangiphi. Ule order la uma wena order wonibhedroom. Yini ngela order ngathi nathi khona asisiki imithi lezi fa emabedroom awufuni. Uzabona wena sowuvuma wena ngo1 AM umntana ekhatheni. Ufuna ukwenza sembhala ama final ngiyakwazi ngila so ngilale. Bana simetle suku wazoyijikela khona.
Sas. So ready. Akuthanda. Awungeke ukuthanda. As wena the ice cream. Uzathengisa nge-ice cream wena ngingakuthengisa. Manje ukuthi ice cream ayini. It's not even that. Lessons. What kind? Life lessons. Kosi, uniyenza. Okay, sesifikile guys. Guys,
Sukela photo ukhanya khona ubuya ngapha.
Sesifike guys, now it's time to work. Our last job, our last hustle. We're going to spray la. Nyakuya na yenzi balcony there. I think it doesn't know how because Uti bye phela for New Year. See you next year.
Bye, see you next year.
Next year.
Amamula ungezisamanga.
See you next year. Bye. Utshengisile kakhulu. What the lakho lingcono asifuze.
Oh no, ngacela umqhosha uAugust.
I know.
August ngebenye my birthday month yami. August. Mina October November.
Alright. Hey, stop guilt tripping me. Umbethwa guilt trip.
Ngiyabala nje ngiyangaze ngahlala isikhathi eside.
Alright, ayisayenza. Sayenza amanoodles la bemnandi. Ayikikhuda udino nami ngidino. Ngiyakuchaya kule mganela lingageswa.
Wanna look at the past, look at us now. Ubukele gas, bukele down. You think it could belly fast.
Hey guys.